In this video, I will show you how to make this poster design in Adobe Photoshop. Create a new document with the following settings. Create a solid color adjustments layer and choose this color. From Shapes, choose a rectangle tool and follow the process. Choose Type tool and type your text. I'm using this font. You can download it from video description. Drag and drop your image. Adjust the image size and position. Right-click on this rectangle layer and choose Select Pixels. Then select this image and click on Layer Mask icon. Then create a black and white adjustments layer. Right-click on it and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select the layer mask. Choose Brush. Make sure foreground color is black. And paint over this area to bring back the colors. Now by holding Shift key, select all of these layers. Press Ctrl G to group. Right-click on it and choose Blending Options. Select Drop Shadow. And apply the following settings. This is the final result. Hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.